Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at CROSSE Technology 6161410V2 Atomic Projection Alarm Clock User Manual. Specifications. Power up. Insert 2 AA batteries into the outdoor sensor. Connect the 5 volts power cord to an outlet in the projection clock. Optionally, insert 3 AAA batteries for backup. Set the time, date, etc. on the projection clock. Place the sensor outside in a shaded location once it is synchronized with the clock. Settings menu. Hold the Set button to enter the settings menu. Use the +/ buttons to adjust values. Press Set to confirm values. Press snooze light to save and exit. Backlight. Adjust the backlight intensity by pressing the snooze light button. There are 4 levels of brightness and an off option. Auto dim. Hold the snooze light button to access auto dim settings. Use the +/ buttons to toggle auto dim on and off and set start and stop hours. The auto dim icon will appear on the LCD when activated. Custom display. Press the calendar button to switch between display options: full weekday, abbreviated weekday with date, or alarm time. Projection image. Brightness. Press the button to adjust brightness to high, low, or off. Rotation. Use the rotation wheel to change projection orientation by 270 degrees. Tilt. Adjust the projection arm forward-backward for image location adjustment on the wall ceiling. Projection options. Time only. Indoor temp only. Outdoor temp only. Alternate time plus indoor temp plus outdoor temp. Time alarm. Set alarm. Hold the alarm button to enter the alarm settings menu. Use the +/ buttons to adjust the flashing values. Press the alarm button to confirm and move forward. Activate deactivate alarm. Press the alarm button to activate or deactivate the alarm and view your alarm time. The alarm icon will show only when the alarm is active. Snooze. When the alarm sounds, press the snooze button to silence the alarm for 10 minutes. The snooze icon ZZ will flash. Press any button except snooze to silence the alarm for 24 hours. When the alarm ends with a button press or timeout after 2 minutes, good day will show briefly and then return to normal time display. Temperature trend arrows. Outdoor temperature. Low battery. By the indoor temp, replace clock batteries. By the outdoor temperature, replace sensor batteries. Care and maintenance. Always use the correct size and grade of battery. Replace all batteries at the same time and don't mix old and new ones. Clean the battery and device contacts before installing new batteries. Install batteries correctly about polarity. Remove batteries during periods of non-use to prevent leakage and damage. Promptly dispose of used batteries at local recycling centers and follow local regulations. Warnings. Troubleshootings. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.